Technical analysis for beginners. In this video, we are going to be analyzing GBP/JPY on the 1 minute, and we are going to be using resistance and support zones, rallies, pullbacks, stop loss, and take profit levels. So if you come on the chart, you're going to identify support. Support is a zone where buyers are coming from. So after the market forming this support zone, you're getting this rally to the upside. The rally is forming a higher high. After the market giving us a higher high, we are having a pullback. After this pullback, the market is forming another support zones above the previous support, and it is also creating a new rally to the upside, creating another higher high. Notice how the price is pulling back. When it is pulling back, it is still respecting the previous support zones. What does that indicate? It indicates that the market is pushing upwards. So we're having this support zone being created here above this one, and it is still also giving us another rally to the upside, creating another higher high, also giving us a level of resistance. Here is the most important thing: the pullbacks and the entries. So after seeing the market is respecting the support zones, the previous support zones, so we also after this pullback here, we are expecting the market to push upwards, looking for previous resistance zones. So if we are to highlight our pullback out here, we are having this pullback here. So the price is pulling back in this channel here. That is giving us our pullback, and we are seeing that the price is breaking out from this channel at this level here, and then it is coming back and retesting on the breakout. And look at how it is reacting at this level here. It is giving us a very big long momentum candle of buyers, and this candle is also engulfing. What does that mean? This indicates that the buyers are ready to push the market further to the upside. So we shall scroll left here, and we see the previous resistance zones. These ones are going to be our levels of take profits. That's where we're going to be taking profits from. So on the closure of this candle, we are going to be taking the buy. The stop loss is going to be below support zone that was created at that level, and then we aim for that take profit zone. So if you find this information valuable, don't forget to subscribe, and also like. All of these concepts are in our BYBT strategy ebook. The links are in the description. So that's our video for today. See you in the next one.